Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video in the Taharah series. Today we're going to talk about 8 things that break your wudu. So these are called nullifiers or nawaqis. There are 8 things that break wudu as per Hanafi fiqh. And again, there are differences of opinion on some of these items, so we will not be going into those details. And to memorize those 8 things and to try to make things easier, the way you can remember this is that there are basically 4 categories, and there are 2 nullifiers that break wudu in each of these categories. So 2 are related to the head, 2 are related to the mouth, 2 are related to the body, and 2 are related to private parts. So when we talk about the ones related to the head, it is when somebody loses control of their mind. If somebody becomes unconscious or somebody goes insane. So basically that is somebody's mind getting overpowered, and that breaks their wudu. The ones that are related to the mouth are either somebody throws up or vomits a mouthful, right? Or somebody laughs out loud in salah. So this is only specific to salah. So if somebody laughs out loud when not in salah, that does not break wudu. And you have to that laugh should be loud enough that somebody who's right next to you or nearby you could hear that laugh. So that breaks your wudu as well. The 2 that are related to the body is if either you fall asleep, right? You fall asleep either lying down or by resting your body against something, a support, or some other item which when moved out, right, would cause the person to fall. So that also breaks your wudu. And then if blood or pus comes out from any part of the body and it flows out, not just appearing, but also flowing out, causes your wudu to break. Now there are different schools of thought. Specifically, this item has some differences of opinion. And again, like we said, we are going to go based on the Hanafi fiqh. The 2 that are related to the private parts are you have any sort of discharge, whether somebody passes urine, passes stools, or anything comes out from the private parts. That's counted as 1. And then passing gas, this is listed separately. And the reason to kind of separate these 2 out is in case of any other discharge, there is also washing needed. You have to cleanse yourself. If it is just passing of gas, it wouldn't necessarily need washing unless in very exceptional scenarios. Another thing to call out here is that some discharges from private parts don't just break wudu, they also break your ghusl as well. And inshallah, we'll talk about those in the videos related to ghusl. But yeah, keep these 8 things in mind. These will break your wudu. And if your wudu breaks, right, you have to basically renew your wudu. And we have talked about the faraid, the obligations that are needed, the compulsory acts, in a separate video. So we'll leave a link to that video in the description. Assalamu alaikum. Hope this helps.